The seat is made up of a seat backstrap, a seat pad, and hip braces. The hip braces are installed first. They are made by gluing a piece of the 3.5-inch reinforcement plate material from the bottom edge of the cockpit coaming straight down to the bottom of the boat. Laminate some leftover glass cloth to the front and back of a strip of 3.5-inch plate material to reinforce it. Then place the plate 9 inches in front of the inside rear of the cockpit and mark and cut to length a hip brace for either side. Sand the areas where you'll be applying glass tape on the coaming and the bottom of the hull. Position the hip brace under the cockpit coaming so that it is flush with the inside of the coaming. Glass them in place with epoxy fillets and strips of glass tape on both sides of the hip brace where it touches the bottom of the boat and where it touches the cockpit coaming. There is no place for a fillet on the inside top edge. Just tape that spot. Next, drill a 1/4-inch hole in the hip braces 2.5 inches below the cockpit coaming. The seat back is made from a piece of high-density plastic with a foam back pad glued over it. Crease the back band along the sides as shown. Do not score the plastic before bending. The edge of your workbench and a bit of force is required to get a permanent crease in the plastic. Doing this, however, makes the back band more comfortable. Attach the provided pad eye to the bottom of the back strap. Then glue the foam pad provided over the front of the plastic strap. First, roughen the surface of the plastic with sandpaper, then glue the foam to it with contact cement. The seat bottom pad is the Thermarest sports seat that comes in your kit. It is attached to the floor of the boat with velcro patches. Cut the strip of velcro provided in half. Roughen the floor with some sandpaper, where your velcro patches will go. Stick the side with the fuzz to the floor and the side with the hooks to the sports seat. Paint some thickened epoxy on the hull and on the back of the fuzzy piece of velcro and glue it to the floor. Glue the side with the hooks to the Thermarest sports seat using contact cement. Attach the back strap to the hip braces using the 1/4 size 20 screws and the nylon lock nuts. Using the 2 stainless steel wood screws provided, mount a strap eye under the cockpit coaming at the rear of the cockpit. Attach nylon line to the brass clip and tie the other end to the strap eye on the seat back. Hook the brass clip to the strap eye under the coaming. This will hold your seat back up and at the proper angle. A little experimentation will tell you how to adjust the length of the string to provide the seat back angle you find comfortable.